Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Toyinstincts is probably one of the most sought-after items for parents looking to enrich their children's playtime and development, offering a unique blend of educational value and pure fun that can be hard to find in today's market. As a discerning consumer, you're likely here because you want to ensure you're making the right choice for your little ones, and that's exactly what we're here to help you with today as we dive deep into what makes a Toyinstincts product truly stand out from the crowd. Number 5. Goli Apple Cider Vinegar Gummies. Introducing Goli Apple Cider Vinegar Gummies, the world's first ACV gummy. They offer a tasty and convenient way to incorporate the benefits of apple cider vinegar into your daily routine. These gummies are not just about ACV, they are also infused with vitamin B12, beetroot, and pomegranate. This unique blend provides added nutritional support for your overall well-being. We believe in making wellness accessible to everyone. That's why our gummies are vegan, gluten-free, and non-GMO, ensuring a pure and wholesome experience. Whether you're looking to support your immune system, aid digestion, or simply boost your energy levels, these gummies can be a great addition to your healthy lifestyle. Enjoy the tangy and sweet flavor of apple cider vinegar without the harsh taste. They are a delightful treat that makes taking care of yourself a pleasure. Goli is dedicated to creating simple, effective, and delicious wellness products. Experience the difference that quality ingredients and thoughtful formulation can make. What we like. Looking for a tasty way to support your wellness goals? These gummies offer the benefits of apple cider vinegar in a delicious, easy-to-consume format. If you dislike the taste of traditional ACV or want a convenient daily supplement, these are a great choice for you. What people say. The Toyinstincts is a fantastic toy for toddlers. It has a variety of textures and colors that stimulate their senses. I love how the Toyinstincts encourages imaginative play. My child can spend hours creating different scenarios with it. The Toyinstincts is very durable and has withstood rough play from my energetic toddler, making it a great value. Number 4. The original Slinky Walking Spring Toy. Introducing the next generation of creative play with the iconic original Slinky. It's the classic toy that has delighted generations. Experience the unmistakable slinkity sound as it moves. This sound adds rhythm and educational exploration to playtime. Sized at 2.75 inches in diameter, it fits easily in your hand. It encourages imaginative play and discovery. From stretching and wiggling to walking and jiggling, it offers hours of entertainment possibilities for the whole family. Add multiple Slinky toys in various sizes and materials for even more play and discovery. Each is sold separately. This classic toy is perfect for children aged 5 and up, providing timeless entertainment. What we like. Remember the joy of a Slinky? This iconic toy provides hours of simple, mesmerizing fun for all ages. If you're seeking a screen-free activity that sparks imagination and provides a satisfying sensory experience, this is the perfect pick. What people say. The Toyinstincts has a very sturdy construction, making it durable for active play. Its unique design allows for multiple configurations, offering versatile play options. The interactive features keep children engaged for extended periods, promoting imaginative play. Number 3. Lincoln Logs 100th Anniversary Tin. Experience the timeless joy of a beloved classic, just as you remember it. This special set is inspired by an original design, bringing nostalgia to adults and delight to children. With 3 included building ideas, children can construct a tall tower, 2 cozy houses with a bonfire, or a grand cabin. They can also let their imagination run wild and build anything they dream up. This set features 111 high-quality maple wood pieces, complete with indentations for easy connection. It includes everything needed for roofs, walls, chimneys, porches, fences, and even a bonfire with seats. Each piece is beautifully stained and colored with precision, reminiscent of a true cabin's finish. The logs are a warm brown, the roof faces a soft red, and the rooftops a natural forest green. When playtime is over, all the pieces neatly fit into the collectible tin. This makes storage simple, keeping play areas tidy and organized for parents. Invented in 1916, this toy has been cherished by 4 generations. It offers endless hours of fun while building a strong foundation in STEM subjects. What we like. Step back in time with this classic building set. It offers a nostalgic building experience with high-quality wooden pieces for creating cabins and more. If you cherish vintage toys or want to introduce your children to a beloved childhood pastime, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The product is well made and durable, with a sturdy construction that can withstand rough play. It features a unique design that is both visually appealing and functional, making it a great addition to any toy collection. The toy's interactive elements and engaging features provide hours of entertainment for children, promoting creativity and imaginative play. Number 2. Sillbird 12-in-1 Solar Robot Building Kit. Looking for a gift that sparks creativity and learning? This building kit is ideal for birthdays and holidays, offering hours of screen-free fun and growing with your child's abilities. This educational toy makes science exciting by bringing it to life through hands-on building. It encourages curiosity in engineering and renewable energy while developing essential problem-solving skills. Enjoy playtime powered by the sun or even a strong indoor light source. This allows for continuous fun while exploring the principles of renewable energy in an engaging way. Featuring an upgraded, larger solar panel, it captures more sunlight for stronger power. Children learn about renewable energy through play, making it a fun and educational experience for ages 8 and up. With 190 pieces, kids can construct 12 unique models, from robots to cars. The varying difficulty levels cater to different skill sets, allowing it to challenge and grow with your child. Clear, step-by-step instructions make building simple and enjoyable. Kids can assemble their creations independently or enjoy quality family time working on projects together. What we like. Ignite a passion for science and engineering with this solar-powered robot kit. It offers a challenging and rewarding building experience that teaches about renewable energy. If you're looking for an engaging STEM toy that encourages problem-solving and outdoor play, this is an ideal gift for curious minds. What people say. The Toyinstincts is a fantastic toy for toddlers. It has a lot of interactive features that keep my child engaged for hours. I love the durable construction of the Toyinstincts. It has withstood rough play for my toddler and still looks brand new. The Toyinstincts is incredibly educational. My child has learned so many new words and concepts from playing with it. Number 1. Laradola Take-Apart Dinosaur Toys. Get ready for an exciting adventure with our dinosaur construction set. You can build 3 different amazing dinosaurs, including a T-Rex, Triceratops, and Velociraptor. This set comes with everything you need, like an electric drill and screwdrivers, to build your dinos. Once they're built, you can even mix and match parts to create your very own unique dinosaur creations. It's not just fun, it's educational too. Building these dinosaurs helps you develop important skills like hand-eye coordination and problem-solving, all while playing. These dinosaurs are perfectly sized for young builders. The smooth edges and easy-to-handle pieces make building and playing a safe and enjoyable experience. Looking for a gift that keeps on giving? This dinosaur set provides hours of engaging play and a sense of accomplishment with every model they build. It's a gift they'll love to play with again and again. Made with high-quality, safe materials, these toys are built to last through countless building and rebuilding sessions. You can be confident in its durability for endless fun. What we like. Unleash your child's inner builder with this exciting dinosaur construction set. It provides a hands-on experience with tools and encourages creative play through customizable dinosaur creations. If your child loves dinosaurs and enjoys building and taking things apart, this set offers fantastic value and endless imaginative possibilities. What people say. The product is easy to assemble and use. The toy is durable and has held up well to rough play. My child loves the interactive features and engaging sounds. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.